Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you turn on iPhone voice control. So to turn on iPhone voice control, just go to your phone settings at first. Now after going to your settings, scroll down and go to accessibility, this option. After going to accessibility, here you can see there is option which is voice control. Click on it. Now in the top here you can see setup voice control. Just click on setup voice control in the top. Click on continue. Click on done. And here you can see the voice control is done. You can change your language from here. Any language you want, you need to just download it and use it. So guys, that's how you can turn on voice control on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.